Hey guys, myself Meenal Jain continuing with the session of differentiation. In this session, we're gonna solve problems based on rules of differentiation, that is sum, difference, product and quotient rule. So the question given is differentiate the following with respect to x. First sum is given to us y is equal to bracket 4x square minus 7x plus 5 dot sec x. So here we can easily see that we are having two different types of functions. So we can take the first function as u and the second one as v. Now as we already know that y is equal to u dot v, then the formula would be dy by dx is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. This is the formula for the product rule. So now we can differentiate the given with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x. So this will gives us dy by dx is equal to, this value is u and this is v. Substitute in place of u and v the given values. So 4x square minus 7x plus 5 into d by dx of sec x plus sec x d by dx of 4x square minus 7x plus 5. So we are having this by using the formula of u dot v. Now 4x square minus 7x plus 5, the derivative of sec x is sec x dot 10x by using the formula plus sec x. Now this can be written in the bracket that 4 is the constant coefficient, so 4 can be written like that, into d by dx of x square minus 7 we can write in front, then d by dx of x plus d by dx of 5 constant term. So we are having 4x square minus 7x plus 5 into sec x dot 10x plus sec x bracket 4 into the derivative of x square we can do by x raised to the power n, that is n x raised to the power n minus 1, 2x 1 minus 7, the derivative of x is 1 plus the derivative of constant is 0. So now we are having, we can take sec x common from both the brackets. So sec x can be taken from both sides or both the terms, and the remaining would be our 4x square minus 7x plus 5 into tan x plus the remaining would be 8x minus 7 bracket close. So this is our final answer, that is the value of dy by dx. Let's take second question. Y is equal to x raised to the power 4 5 sin x minus 3 cos x. So again we can see that this is in the form of u dot v. U is, we are taking the first term as u and the second bracket as v. Again we need to apply the same formula, that is y is equal to u dot v, that is dy by dx is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx. So solution is differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to, first x raised to the power 4 d by dx of, we can write in the bracket 5 sin x minus 3 cos x bracket close plus sin 5 sin x minus 3 cos x into d by dx of x raised to the power 4. This is, we are writing by using the formula y is equal to u dot v, that is the product rule. Now need to differentiate this x raised to the power 4. We can take in bracket, this 5 is coefficient, so 5 d by dx of sin x minus 3 is coefficient, so d by dx of cos x bracket close plus this bracket would be as it is, 5 sin x minus 3 cos x, bracket close, and d by dx of x raised to the power 4 can be done by using the formula x raised to the power n, that is n x raised to the power n minus 1. 4 minus 1 power would be 3. So we are having here is x raised to the power 4 bracket 5. The derivative of sin x with respect to x is cos x minus sin 3. The derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So minus minus will become plus sin x, bracket close, plus 5 sin x minus 3 cos x 4x cube. This we got. So that would be our final answer because nothing is common over here. We can take, if we want, x cube as the common term, but there is no need to take out common. So this is the value for dy by dx. So this would be our final answer. Let's take another problem. Third is y is equal to x square sin x dot log x. So again we can use here the formula u and v. The two terms are here. So this x square we are taking as u and this entire bracket we are taking as v. That is sin x dot log x is v. Now we know the formula. We have already discussed the formula u dot v. So now differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to x square d by dx of sin x dot log x, one bracket, plus here we are having sin x dot log x as the value of v into d by dx of u, that is x square. Guys, do remember that we cannot differentiate this directly. These are again the two different functions. So we need to differentiate this by again using the formula u dot v here. So we can write x square bracket, apply the formula for u dot v again here in this bracket, that is sin x d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of sin x, bracket close, plus sin x dot log x into the derivative of x square is 2x. So x square sin x into the derivative of log x is 1 upon x, plus log x, the derivative of sin x is cos x, bracket close, plus sin x log x into 2x. So this can be written as, we can open the bracket now, x square into, this is 1 by x into sin x, plus x square log x into cos x, plus this 2x sin x log x. 1x and x we can cancel. So here we are having only 1x, x sin x plus x square log x cos x plus 2x sin x log x. Now we can take x common from the entire term. So taking out x common from the entire term, we are having sin x plus x log x cos x plus 2 sin x log x, bracket close. This is the answer. Now we cannot simplify this anymore. So that would be our final answer. That is the value of dy by dx by using the formula u dot v in 2 times. Now we are having fourth problem, that is y is equal to root x plus 1 upon root x minus 1. So you can see here easily this is in term of quotient, that is your u is equal to root x plus 1 and v is equal to root x minus 1. This is in the form of y is equal to u upon v. So we need to apply the formula for u upon v. That is dy by dx is equal to v du by dx minus u dv by dx upon v square. This is the formula we need to apply here, because here we are having u as the numerator and v as the denominator. I am writing this as numerator and denominator. So we have already started the solution from here itself. So now continuing, differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to, substitute the value in the formula, that the value of v is root x minus 1 into d by dx of root x plus 1 minus root x plus 1 into d by dx of root x minus 1 upon v square, that is root x minus 1 whole square. And we have already written the value of u and v for this question, numerator and denominator, and then we are substituting the value here. So root x minus 1 into d by dx of root x plus 1. So we can differentiate this root x first. The derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x by using the direct formula, plus the derivative of constant term is 0. So in place of derivative of 1 we can write down 0 minus root x plus 1, again bracket, the derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x, minus sign, the derivative of 1 is 0 upon root x minus 1 whole square. So this gives us root x minus 1 into 1 upon 2 root x minus root x plus 1 into 1 upon 2 root x upon root x minus 1 whole square. So now we can open the bracket, root x into 1 upon 2 root x, so that we can write down in the simplified form, minus sign 1 upon 2 root x, again minus sign root x into 1 upon 2 root x, again minus sign 1 upon 2 root x. So we are having this by writing it in the simplified form and open the bracket, upon root x minus 1 whole square. So here we can cancel this root x and root x. Here also we can cancel this root x and root x. And this value is same, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. This can be removed. So now we are having is minus 1 upon 2 root x minus 1 upon 2 root x whole upon root x minus 1 whole square. So this denominator is same. So this can be considered as the LCM. So minus 1 upon 2 root x upon root x minus 1 whole square. This both can be multiplied as it is in the form of second denominator. So this gives us minus 2 upon 2 root x bracket root x minus 1 whole square. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled and we are having minus 1 upon root x minus 1 whole square as the answer. That is the value of dy by dx. We are having minus 1 upon root x bracket root x minus 1 whole square. This is by using the formula u upon v. Now let's take one more problem which would be considering both the formulas, that is product rule also and quotient rule also. Y is equal to x tan x upon sec x plus tan x. So we are having this question and we need to differentiate this. So guys, do remember, whenever you are having the terms in the form of tan, please try to change that in sin and cos so that it would become more easy to solve. Sin x upon cos x, tan x can be written as sin x upon cos x, and sec x can be written as 1 upon cos x plus sin x upon cos x. So this gives us x sin x upon cos x upon 1 plus sin x, this upon cos x. Cos x and cos x will get cancelled because it is in the second denominator, and it gives us x sin x upon 1 plus sin x. So we are having this in the simplified form, that y is equal to x sin x upon 1 plus sin x. Now consider numerator, that is u, that is x sin x, and denominator, that is v, that is 1 plus sin x. In order to differentiate this, we need to write down u and v, because we are using the formula of u upon v. Now this value is dy by dx. We are differentiating by using the formula of u upon v. So v 1 plus sin x into d by dx of u, that is x sin x, minus x sin x, that is u, into d by dx of v, that is 1 plus sin x, whole upon 1 plus sin x whole square. Now you can see that this x dot sin x, we cannot differentiate this directly. We need to apply u dot v, that is the product rule in the bracket, in order to find out the derivative of this. So again we can write down 1 plus sin x bracket x into d by dx of sin x plus sin x into d by dx of x, because we are applying product rule here to differentiate x dot sin x, minus x sin x outside, and the derivative of 1 we can write down as 0, plus the derivative of sin x is cos x, bracket close. So this is upon 1 plus sin x whole square. So this gives us 1 plus sin x bracket x, the derivative of sin x is cos x, plus sin x, the derivative of x is 1, minus x sin x, and this 0 plus cos x is cos x, whole upon 1 plus sin x whole square. Now this value we got, so this is 1 plus sin x, and the bracket is x cos x plus sin x, bracket close, minus x sin x into cos x, whole upon 1 plus sin x whole square. These are the two brackets, so we need to multiply each individual value, that is 1 into x cos x, 1 into x cos x is x cos x, plus 1 into sin x, that is sin x, plus sin x into x cos x, that is x sin x cos x, plus sin x into sin x is sin square x, minus x sin x cos x, whole upon 1 plus sin x whole square. So here we can cancel the term x sin x cos x minus x sin x cos x. So we are having x cos x plus sin x plus sin square x upon 1 plus sin x whole square. This is the value of dy by dx, that is x cos x plus sin square x upon 1 plus sin x whole square. This is the result, in which we have used both u upon v and u dot v. Thank you so much guys. That's all for this session. We'll continue with derivatives of composite function and chain rule in the coming session. Till then, stay tuned. Love maths, solve maths. Bye.